Why has Canada recently denied visas to a number of students? Hello and welcome to today's YouTube video. I am Palak Gupta from DIY Immigration, and today we are going to discuss on the topic, why has Canada been recently denying visas to a number of students? The majority of the education consultants stated that refusals have always existed, but that such a big number in such a short period of time had never been witnessed before. Some students have even claimed that visa refusal has increased to over 60% in the last few weeks. How many student visas has the Canadian High Commission recently refused? According to qualified advisors that specialize in student visas, especially for Canada, the number offers in the thousands. Almost for all of the consultants, students have been turned down, some in greater number than others. According to advisors, even students who are taking online classes after receiving visa approval in principle last year, which indicates they met all of the requirements for entry including passing the IELTS and paying a year's cost. Now, what are the most probable causes of this denials? There is a big backlog of students due to the pandemic and the suspension of direct flights to Canada, with approximately 3 to 3.5 lakh students' application pending, and it will be impossible for Canada to absorb such a large number of students in only a few months, even after flights resume. It is difficult for them to complete a year's job in a couple of months, so they are refusing visas from the outset so that they can prepare themselves and then accommodate this tremendous backlog in the coming 6 to 7 months, one consultant quoted the statement. There are also other key reasons for rejections, such as the student's selection of course. For example, if a student has a poor academic record, which can be determined by his or her grade point average in 10th, 12th or graduation, as well as his or her IELTS scores, and chooses a tough course, his or her refusal is almost certain. Second, if a smart student chooses a simple course that he has already completed here, the visa officer can deny the application on the grounds that the application intends to repeat the same course, quoted another consultant. So that's all for today, and the remaining questions we will discuss later. And we'll see you soon in the next video. So if you have any queries regarding this, please do share us in the comment section and we'll reply to that. Also, if you like this video, please do like it, share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.